So if you use Adobe Photoshop, you'll be pleased to know we have just launched our new 2020 MacBook Pro keyboard covers for Adobe Photoshop. And these fit both the 13-inch and the 16-inch MacBook Pros, which changed to the new Magic Keyboard. Now, of course, if you've got an older MacBook Pro, we do have covers for that too. But in this video, I'm going to show you how this looks on the new 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro. So let's show you what it looks like. So all you need to do is take your Photoshop keyboard cover out of the packaging and put it straight onto your Magic Keyboard of your new MacBook Pro. And as you can see, it's molded absolutely perfectly. Now, how this cover works, it contains color-coded keys which help you find similar tools in a workflow much faster. And then each key has your standard typing letter, a shortcut icon, and the shortcut text. So you'll be editing photos in Photoshop much faster than ever before. And not only does it give you the shortcuts, but it also protects your MacBook Pro against dirt, dust, and spills. So if you want to grab your own Adobe Photoshop keyboard cover from Editor's Keys, check out a link in the description below, and that will link to all of the keyboard covers for Adobe Photoshop. Also, if you've got any questions, make sure you leave them below, because I promise we do get back to every single one. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.